My name is Arnold Free. I'm Vice President of Business Development for CM Labs Simulations. We're a Montreal-based company, and we develop tools and simulation products for heavy equipment, vehicles, and robotics. We simulate the behavior of heavy equipment, of basically mechanical systems. So that could be a tank, it could be a robot, it could be heavy equipment like a crane. And so our specialty is the simulation of this equipment, and it's deployed in training applications as well as mission planning and virtual prototyping. Our customers are both defense and commercial. In the defense market, our clients are system integrators like BAE Systems, Lockheed Martin, RUAG, Rheinmetall, companies that are building turnkey simulation systems, simulation-based training systems. For example, tank trainers, convoy trainers, and they use our tools to build these products. So we basically simulate the dynamics of the vehicles, all the interactive environment, what's referred to often as rigid body dynamics or the physics simulation within the training environment. Well, we certainly pride ourselves on the realism in our simulations. It is based on the fundamental behavior, the fundamental physics of a piece of equipment. So the traditional method is to use empirical methods where you basically sample how a machine behaves and then replicate that behavior in software. What we do is, with our software, you build up a physical representation of the vehicle. So you define all of its behavior. It has joints, it has wheels, a drivetrain if it's a vehicle. And by defining that at a very base level, all of the emergent behavior of that vehicle is simulated in the final training environment. So the realism is quite high, in fact. So we're showing a couple of demonstrations here at ITEC. One of them is a crane simulation. So a big part of our business is simulating heavy equipment for training, operator training, and the types. Basically, we work in three markets primarily: in construction equipment, so cranes, excavation equipment, in the port area as well for primarily container handling equipment, cranes, and bulk material handling. And then the third is in offshore oil and gas. So again, simulating mostly crane operations related to oil and gas on rigs, on ships as well. If you're interested in finding out more about Vortex simulators, about CM Labs simulation, you can find us on the web at www.vxsim.com.